On today's menu, a delicious and easy recipe you've been waiting for. Delicious chili green bean stir fry.
Lei ho ma, I'm Yeung. Welcome to my channel where I help you cook with confidence. If you're new to the channel, welcome, I'm glad you're here. At the end of the episode, be sure to check out the link in the description box below to download your free ebook that's put together just for you that has 5 super easy, unintimidating, plant-based recipes to help you get started cooking today. And of course, there's a picture for every single recipe. Now first, we're gonna cook this amazingly simple but super delicious stir-fry chili green beans.
Bring a pot of water to boil for the beans.
You're just gonna remove this little bit from the green bean, then we're gonna give it a wash, and you're basically good to go.
About half a pound of green beans. Three pieces garlic. Finely sliced. 1 large shallot, finely sliced. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 teaspoon rice vinegar. 1 tablespoon hoisin sauce. Mix. When the water comes to a boil, blanch the green beans for 3 to 4 minutes.
I'm taking the time to blanch the beans beforehand will give you that really nice sort of blistered look, and it's very characteristic with this particular dish.
Strain out the water from the beans. Sauté pan. Medium heat.
And you don't have to use this particular oil, but it goes brilliantly well with this dish. And I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can see how easy it is to make this homemade chili oil.
2 tablespoons chili oil. Shallot and garlic. Sauté for about a minute. Green beans. Sauté for 4 to 5 minutes. Two dried chili peppers. Sauce. Add a dash of water. Sauté for another few minutes until all the sauce has been absorbed. Plate. You can now make this delicious stir-fry green beans with absolute confidence.
So incredibly simple, and you have this amazing side dish. Absolutely one of my favorites. That is just so delicious. It's so simple, so humble, so easy to put together, but absolutely packed with flavor. You have that amazing kind of sweet, salty, little hints of spiciness. And the green beans still have that bit of a al dente bite to it. Just tastes fresh, it tastes really flavorful. That is absolutely amazing. Definitely one of my favorite dishes. Just incredible. Be sure to check out that link in the description box below where you can get your free ebook that has 5 super easy plant-based recipes to help you get started cooking today. And of course, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.